Good morning, everybody. Doing a video this morning for Mid-Minnesota Motorheads. It's kind of a gray day. Hopefully we'll get a few more cars coming in. Doing a fundraiser today for Patriot Assistance Dogs. Once all the cars get in here, I got here a little early today. Once all the cars get here, I'll go around and do a video of all the vehicles that show up. Hopefully we have a good turnout today. The weather was a little iffy this morning, but hopefully she brightens up a little bit and gets people out here. All right, so they've got the rat rod here that they're doing a raffle for this year. Proceeds go to benefit the Patriot Assistance Dogs. And so yeah, Two Rivers Repair. He's the one that's donating his time and all the effort, so he's been working on this. I'll get him over here and we'll get some more information for you. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Andy from Two Rivers Repair in Hastings, Minnesota. So this is the 1931 Model A Sport Coupe. Building it, still going. I got some stuff to finish. It's got a 4.6 liter out of a Crown Vic Police Interceptor. Body came out of a barn. I'm just going to keep building it. Got original canvas top from World War II cargo truck. Then I just have to do some seats, wire it up. It's going to be complete, running and driving. That's it.
Yeah, it's looking awesome. It's coming along.
Yeah.
And you said you just did the top, what, yesterday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday? So
yep.
Yeah.
So 3 days ago, or 4 days ago.
Really coming along. When I first saw it, it was just a absolute shell. So yeah, she's coming along.
Yeah, it's cool. It'll be done July 13th when we give it away.
All right, awesome. Awesome. Yeah, contact someone with Mid-Minnesota Motorheads and get your raffle tickets. All right, let's go ahead and get a video of all the cars. I'll try to get some close-ups today if I can. Let's go.
bearing with us with the weather today and coming out. We really appreciate it. We are down a few cars from last year, but I think we had a pretty good showing, all things considered. On behalf of myself and Chuck, my co-partner in this whole thing, and all of those at the Patriot Assistance Dogs, we want to thank you for your support. That being said, I think we're going to roll right into trophies so everybody can get home before the next front of rain comes in. We will be doing our top 20 first, and then we'll go on to our best of show, best interior, etc. One thing I want to point out, we do a little differently here than some shows. Our trophies are picked by the sponsors who sponsor the trophy. That way, it kind of gives some people that normally wouldn't see a trophy a chance at getting a trophy. Also, these sponsors are phenomenal to us. They put in their time and effort to come here and choose a winner for each class. Not to mention, early in the season when I'm hounding them, they all put out the funds to go buy these trophies, etc. That being said, I will be handing you a little thank you note. This is on behalf of all of us. We ask simply, the thank you note is addressed, it's ready to go. All you need to do is please sign it, and if you have a picture of your car, stick it in and thank that sponsor for the time that they put into giving a trophy for this show. Alrighty, without further ado, we're going to start with the top 20.
Hang on, Johnny. Oh, here you go.
One of our veterans. We have some of our veterans on hand today who have received service dogs, Patriot Assistance Dogs, I should say, not service dogs, sorry, my mistake. And this is Mickey. This is your chance. You want to get on the mic all day?
Shane and Ladybird.
Shane and Ladybird.
Shane and Ladybird. And
Ladybird.
Ladybird is Shane's dog. And we have a couple other dogs over here. If you have not seen how hard these people from PAD work, please, they are amazing. The training and the time they put into these dogs is just phenomenal. All right, let's go.
Let's go. Let's have a hand for everybody. A hand for yourselves. The first one is number 58, Troy. Troy, the 2019 vet, Corvette. Ostrowski. Oh, that Troy. Troy Ostrowski.
Facing the wrong way.
You gotta come up. Chop, chop, Troy Ostrowski. There, congratulations. Oh, that's your dad? Well, tell your dad congratulations. There you go. The next one is number 2, Doug Olson, the 61 Cadillac.
Oh yeah.
Here comes big old Doug Olson. Don't mess with Doug. No. There he is. Congratulations, sir. Can't thank you enough. Next is number 37, Steve Brodgar, the 1970 Nova. Nice. The 1970 Nova. Steve, here comes old Stevie. There he is. Congratulations, sir. Look at that. Number 31, Roger Burton, the 68 Javelin. Here comes Roger the Dodger. Well, not the Dodger. Roger the not Dodger. There he is. Thank you, sir. Number 55. Is this for real? Tim Waltz? Oh, not that. Tim Waltz? Tim, are you here? Tim Waltz. W-A-L-Z. Tim Waltz. The 69 Camaro.
I know him, and it's not the Gov.
Come again?
I know
Oh,
him.
you know him, and it's a different one.
Not the Gov.
I'll spell it. Tim? Oh, Timmy.
We'll set that one down.
The Timmer. Timmy. Okay. We'll move on. Number 36, Darwin Barron, the 39 Chevy. Darwin Barron.
I think that's
Darren? Yeah, okay.
Dwayne here.
Oh, Dwayne. Dwayne the bathtub, I'm drowning. Dwayne Barron. I just wanted to see if any of you are listening. Dwayne Barron. Are you here? There he is.
Actually, it's burnt.
Okay.
I had to look twice.
I knew it was Dwayne. I'm just. Okay. Number 33. Now, is this Tom, John, or Tom?
Tom Keller.
Tom Kellen? Okay. Tom Kellen. The 1949 Willis. What you talking about, Willis?
41 Willie.
Oh, Willie's.
41.
A 40. What year did I say? Oh, okay. A 41 Willie. Tom Kellen.
He's here.
He's here somewhere.
All right, we'll sit down.
We'll find him. Number 6, Troy Swan. The 72 Chevy. Troy Swan. Troy. Here he comes. Troy boy. Here now. Next is, congratulations. Next is number 23. Kenny Bernard. Shut up. Kenny Bernard. Well, it says Kenny. Are you sure? You sure it's not Kenny? Okay, Kerry Bernard. Is it a 53 or 63?
53 Chevy.
The 53 Chevy. Congratulations, Dr. Bernard. Number 42. Is this Vern?
Vern and Jake.
Vern and Jake
Mittendorf.
Mittendorf. It says Ver. What you talking about, Vern? Vern and Jake Mittendorf, the 66 Mustang. Nice. Congratulations.
I didn't write it, Stacy did.
I'm kidding around. Rocky Thompson, number 22. Rocky, the 38 Rat Rod. You know what we're talking about. Is that the one we're giving away? No, it's a different one.
It's over there.
My God. Okay, Rocky Thompson. Rocky. Oh, he's coming. Here comes Rocky.
He's supposed to run. It's like the Price is Right.
It's
Come on
right.
now.
Here's Rocky. He's going to fly now. Number 9, Jason Hollenkamp. Jason Hollenkamp, the 88 Mustang.
He is not here. That
He's
was-
not here, but we'll hold his award till he can
Had
pick
to
it
take the kids home.
up. Okay. Number 4, Buzz in the 1930 Ford. Buzzy. Here comes Buzz. There he is. Is this the guy that was the mechanic in the movie? Wow, Mr. Hollywood. Oh, no autograph. Sorry. Damn. Okay. Congratulations, Buzz. Number 47, Nolan Kreffels. Kreffels? Trifles? Truffles? Nolan. Look at that. The 1949 Windsor. How old are you, Nolan? Can I ask? He's 15. Wow, I have socks older than that. Congratulations. See, start him young. He's
Youngest member of Mid-Minnesota Motorhead.
youngest member of the... Wow, congratulations. Nice. Is that your first big award? No. No. All right. Scott Pope, the 1970 Chevy Nova, number 11. Scott Pope. There he is. Hey-oh, Scott Pope. There he is. You thought the Pope was from Chicago. No. Okay. Patrick, number 8, Patrick Nierenhausen. Patrick Nierenhausen, the 1931 Dodge truck. Number 8, Patrick. Here he comes. How old are you? 33 and a third. Okay. Come on up and get your prize.
Perfect. I powder coated this.
There you oh, well, you what? You power coated it? You power coated it? Wow.
Yes, you did, didn't you?
Congratulations.
when he said he powder coated that, I should probably say thank you to Midway Iron, who donated all of your trophies and made them all. And this gentleman is part of All Pro Powder Coating that did all the powder coating on your trophies.
Nice. Wow.
First car show, right? First car show.
Well, congratulations. Okay. Number 15, Dennis Butowski. Huh? The 1949 pickup. Number 15, Dennis. Come on out. There he is. I knew you could do it. I told you. This last week you're saying, oh, I'll never win. And I'm like, no, it's perfect. You're the best. Mike Dilly, number 24. Mike Dilly, the 1956 Chevy. Number 24, Mike Dilly. They named a Dairy Queen treat after Mike, you know, the Dilly Bar. Here he comes. He's shaking his head, I know. Feel free to reuse these dad jokes.
Never heard that before.
You never heard that before? Well, they called me Mr. Misty in college, so see, more Dairy Queen humor. Thank you, Mike. Number 27, Bob
Holiday.
Bob Holiday, H-A-S. Oh no, H-A-H-I Day. Okay, Bob Holiday. The 66 Cornet. Well, I know. Well, I never could spell. Thank you. Hey, congratulations, Big Bob. Number 43, Brandon Anderson, the 81 VW pickup.
That's yours?
Congratulations.
Okay, on to the big hardware. We're gonna start with Best Rat Rod, sponsored by Scotty's Custom Art Metal. Come on up. I know the dog is Captain Kirk, and you are, and this is Tony. And the winner of the Best Rat Rod is number 01, Frank Oak, with a 1949 Ford.
Thank you. I finished it yesterday.
Well, we could tell.
Okay.
Couple of drones. I see 3 drones over there.
The next one we've got is, that can't be right. Hang on. Hang on a minute here. Hold on a minute.
See, it's not so easy, is it?
No, it's Best Street Rod. And we have Barry from Triad Construction here to present the award.
Consulting. Consulting.
And the winner is Lonnie Besser with a 1932 Ford Coupe.
Nice car.
Problems are not in order.
Oh, okay.
Next one would be. The next one is Best Muscle Car, and it is sponsored by Metro Radiator. And the winner is number 13 with the 70 El Camino, Jim Zwilling.
Congratulations.
There's that thing, you know what I talked about?
Thank you very much.
Good job.
Okay. D&B, you're up next. The next one is sponsored by D&B Auto Body, and I have to add, they came on board this year in a big way. Not only did they sponsor this show, but they also sponsored our Best Paint trophies at the next 2 shows, the one in Sauk Center and the one in Grey Eagle, so we really want to thank them for that. And their choice is number 23, is it Kenny Bernard?
Kenny Bernard, not Tom. Kenny Bernard.
Thanks so much.
The 53 Chevy.
Congratulations, Kenny. Are you related to Tom Bernard?
Terry.
You are.
Terry.
You don't want to admit that. Well, you can't blame me for that. No, hey, say hi to him. Tell him he still owes me 40 bucks. Oh, here we are.
Okay, this is an award that is presented by Hanson Paving, and it is sponsored by MTH. It's the best pickup, and it is number 59, Dan Brady with a 66 C10.
Dan Brady. Say hello to your mom, Carol, for me. It's a Brady Bunch joke. Here he is.
Congratulations. Appreciate it. Thanks.
All right.
Yep. Okay, we got,
I know. Not so easy, is it?
I'm just looking for the sponsor.
Yeah, tell it to the judge.
Our best interior, sponsored for the second year in a row by Rapids Upholstery, and that is number 53, Jason Medellin, with a 1929 Ford Model A.
Hey now, Jason.
Did I say that right?
Medallion? McAdillon? MacDillon.
How do you say it?
Medallion. Yes, congratulations.
And we have,
Kids' Choice.
that one's Veterans Choice, right?
Kids' Choice.
Kids' Choice. And our Kids' Choice Award, which is sponsored by our neighbors right over here, La Petite Nurse Academy. And the winner of that is a number, I don't have his number on here, but his name is Ken Newcombe with a 22 Bronco. Number
12. Okay.
What kind of car?
There he is.
Sorry.
The hide and seek world champion. All
That
right.
out. That's
Congratulations.
the sponsor, thanking them. We'd appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Sponsored La Petite. Oh, something bleu. La Petite Academy. Oh.
The last one.
Okay. The last one, really? Come on up there, that big old trophy. Oh, we got two more.
He was hiding.
Yeah. Here we go.
And this is our Veterans Choice Award, and it is sponsored by Granite City Tire and Auto. And the winner is number 32, Cale Johnson with the 54 Oldsmobile.
Come on up here, Dale.
Cale, like Dale Yarborough.
Hale?
Cale.
I call him Dale. You sure it's not Dale?
I'm sure it's Cale.
I'm talking to him. You sure? Okay, well, hail to the winner. Hail.
Okay, Mary, come on
Thank
back.
you, sir.
And now for the one you've all been waiting for.
Wait, jeez.
Oh, Andy. I
Come on
forgot.
up.
You were hiding too.
You were
Come on
hiding
up.
too. Come on up now.
Sorry about that. We also, this is Andy Sully, and Andy is an invaluable part of this whole organization. He is the gentleman who has put together our rat rod that is on the raffle over here. If you've not heard about it, what it is the Mid-Minnesota Motorheads in conjunction with Two Rivers Auto and Diesel, which is Andy's business, are raffling off this beautiful rat rod. There's a limited number of tickets, and we're getting down to the very bottom. So if you want them, come and see one of us up here. But they are a once-in-a-lifetime chance to win that baby, and it'll be drawn for July 13th at at Two Rivers Auto and Diesel. So that being said, we're going to go with our long distance award, which Andy builds and sponsors every year, with 121 miles from Walker, Minnesota, in a 2003 Thunderbird Sandy Ship.
Sandy Ship. Oh, Sandy. There she is. All the way from Wally Walker, Minnesota. Well, Wally. Congratulations. Yes. I like your toenail polish. Look at how smartly. All right.
Okay, now, Mary, this is our best of show, and it is sponsored by Jim's Auto Service out of St. Cloud. This is their second year of doing it. They are a phenomenal sponsor, and man, if you're too busy to work on your car, you really want to get it over there. Kenny is fabulous. That being said, our best of show is number 41, Craig Jordan with Jordal with a 1949 Plymouth.
Craig Jordan.
Yeah, Craig Jordal.
Craig Jordal, ladies and gentlemen. There he is. Craig, I knew you could do it. Best of show. Oh, you had your, well, what do you have to say to the adoring fans here?
Thanks for coming.
They can't thank you enough. Well, there he goes. And you are, no, thank you, sir. Thank you, yes, well deserved.
Can't thank you enough for all the time.
You want me to call some more number? Oh, hey.
All right, so I didn't get an outro filmed. I had to leave right away to go return a U-Haul trailer. So I had to buzz out right away. So a lot of times I like to get videos of the cars leaving, but I had to get a trailer returned in time. So anyway, PTO ran great. My seam on my bumper's a lot better. I think I mentioned it before. I had worked on that. The car show today was a success. Now the weather wasn't the greatest. Explain, it rained it rained Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday this week. It started raining about 6 o'clock after the show. It was misting on the way to the show this morning. It went from noon to 4. And so we got about the 5-hour window of no rain today. So it was overcast. Yes, it wasn't as, nice of weather as last year, but honestly, a really good turnout. Patriot Assistance Dogs is the cause that they're supporting this year. So please check them out. I put links to Mid-Minnesota Motorheads in the description, and links to Patriot Assistance Dogs below also, as well. So I'm doing this video for them. It's kind of my donation to their cause. So this won't be on the Do It Myself YouTube channel. This will be on the Mid-Minnesota Motorhead channel. But Doug and the crew over there are awesome, so I wanted to do this for them. I feel like I owe them a few videos, and that was a really good car show today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch, like, subscribe to them, as well as if you could to Do It Myself Garage, it'd be great. But Mid-Minnesota Motorheads deserve some respect and praise and some follows as well. For all the things that they do for veterans, for all the fundraising, and trying to find organizations like Patriot Assistance Dogs that do great things for veterans. So, thanks again. Have a great day, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.